Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed slightly higher on Thursday, lifted by shares in transportation, food, beverage, and tobacco, and semiconductor equipment sectors. Now, on the economic docket, the Philadelphia Fed Business Outlook Index, that jumped to 21.8 in July. Initial claims, they rose to 216,000 in the week ended July 13th, while the Conference Board's leading index was down 0.3% month over month. Now, taking a look at what happened after the markets closed, Microsoft reporting fourth quarter EPS of $1.71 versus 93 cents a year ago on revenue of $33.72 billion. E-Trade unveiling its second quarter EPS of 90 cents versus 95 cents the previous year on revenue of $685 million, while Boeing, it said it will record an after-tax charge of $4.9 billion due to potential concessions and other considerations to customers for disruptions related to 737 MAX air grounding and associated delivery delays, which will cause a negative impact of $5.6 billion on revenue and pre-tax earnings during the quarter. Meanwhile, turning overseas, Asian markets strongly up today. The Nikkei up 2%, the Hang Seng up 1.07%, China's CSI 300 also up more than 1%, South Korea's Kospi rising 1.35%. European markets mixed and after a positive start, and U.S. futures calling for a positive start as well. Now, in terms of expectations today, American Express, BlackRock, and Schlumberger all expected to report, while on the economic docket 10 o'clock in the morning, we had the July Michigan Consumer Sentiment preliminary read that's expected at 98.5. Now, over in the markets, the SP500 is where we begin. That expects a level of 3,023, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is mixed to bullish. Long positions above 29.95.50 are favored with targets at 30.1275 and 30.23 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, that looks for 80.47, while the Dow Jones, that's moving towards 27,440.